Let's check out their impact driver. All right, it's the 20 volt max range. Great for homeowners. Impact driver. Looks like it comes with the battery, and it comes with this nice little carry-on case here. So here's the impact driver. Nice and simple. Let's see what comes with it here. We got the battery. You think the battery will have any juice on it?
I bet you it does.
Really? There we go. It does. How about that? SENIX. Hopefully they gave us a charger. All right. There we go. So it's about as simple as that. You got the SENIX charger. This is for the 20 volt battery. You get the 20 volt battery on here, and then you have the driver. And then it comes with a little case. Pretty cool. SENIX.